Hey friends, it's Erica. Today I have a super special guest with me. I have my girl, Heather. Check out her YouTube just because she's on a YouTube channel. I have known this girl for forever and a day, 150 years now I think, so at least it feels that way. Just kidding. So anyway, so today we're doing a really fun video. We are doing the Whisper Challenge. I don't know what the Whisper Challenge is. It is when you put in headphones, you blast music really loud, and then you whisper something to the other person. And, say it. Yeah, whisper, say it, whatever. And they have to lip read and say what you're saying, what you're telling them. And it's gonna be fun for the both of us since we're both really bad at this. So, let's get started. Here, I will let you, I'll let you go first because I need to pick a weird sentence. Remember, you can't hear me. I can't hear you. You heard me because you heard me say that. Blast it. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Hurricane Irma is my bitch. Hurricane Irma is my bitch.
Irma? I got the Irma.
Okay. Hurricane.
Or hurricane.
Okay. Irma is my bitch.
Is my bitch?
Yes. Okay, ready? Okay. I stepped on a cornflake. Now I'm a serial killer. Cornflake. 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 Cornflake.
I stepped on a cornflake and now I'm a serial killer?
Good job, good job. Okay. Llamas eat sexy paper clips.
Start over. I know the llamas.
You don't have to yell. You don't have to yell. Eat. Eat. Eat.
Need?
Eat. Eat.
Need?
Eat. When life gives you lemons. When life gives you lemons.
When life gives you lemons?
Chuck them at people you hate. Chuck them at people you hate.
Shut them up with rice?
Chuck them. Chuck them.
Then?
Chuck.
Chuck? When life gives you lemons, chuck them at people
You hate.
you hate?
Yes. Yes. The cheese grater is on the
The
way.
engine red?
We're done. The cheese grater is on the way.
A cheese grater is on the way?
Could you hear that?
Was that the right?
That's right.
No. Was that really right? Oh no, I didn't think that's what it looked like. I'm sorry.
Damn. I don't believe that she can't hear this. I turned it up. Wanna help me steal a giraffe?
When I come home,
Wanna help me steal a giraffe?
when Elvis
Want.
want,
To help.
what do you want?
Want to help.
What do I? What do?
To.
What do?
To.
What?
To.
Chew?
To.
Chew.
To.
Am I right?
No.
What dude?
To.
Stew?
To. To.
Dude? I don't know what you're saying.
To.
Two?
What?
What two?
Want. It's not even how we changed it.
Say it again.
Want to help me steal a giraffe?
Want to help me steal a
Giraffe.
graph? A carafe?
A giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Want to help me steal a giraffe?
We'll do one more. One more. Okay. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
Llama, 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 goat.
Nom 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 nom.
I see llama. Hop on.
Nom 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 nom.
Gumdrop. I don't know.
Nom 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 nom.
Jump on pop. That's a Dr. Seuss book.
Nom 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 nom. Give up. Give up.
What?
Are you done? Lom 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 a goat. Oh wow, this is loud.
I know.
I feel like I'm yelling. Am I yelling?
Yeah, I probably was too. Drink my blood. It'll make you sick.
If you eat bad blood, it'll make you sick. Again.
Drink my blood. It'll make you sick.
If you eat blind, you'll be sick.
Drink.
A drink.
Drink my
Bad.
bad.
If you drink my blood,
It'll make you sick.
it'll make you sick.
Woo! A goat partied while eating a pineapple.
A known monkey will eat my apple.
A goat.
A Josie.
A goat.
A toast.
A goat.
Noses.
Goat.
Don't.
Goat.
Don't. Goat.
Partied.
Market. Goat market. Like a goat store. No, okay.
A goat partied while
A goat at a party while eating a pineapple.
Your mama is so ugly, she made onions cry.
Your mom is so ugly, she gets strep.
She made
She makes
onions
onions
cry.
cry. She makes onions cry.
Sometimes I like to pretend I'm an electric toaster.
Sometimes I like to pretend I'm a princess toaster.
Sometimes I like to pretend I'm an electric toaster.
Oh, sometimes I like to pretend I'm an electric toaster.
How did you get that? Your ugliness made me bang my head on a big rock.
Kunami Baba likes a frog? What?
Your ugliness made me bang my head on a big rock.
Ugly.
Your
Your ugliest
made me.
baby. Your ugliest baby.
Your ugliness made me
Your ugliest pissed me.
bang my head.
Made my day. Made my day.
Bang.
Made my.
Bang.
Made my.
Made me
Made me.
bang my head.
Break my ass.
Bang my head.
Break my ass.
Bang.
Bang, bang. Bang my ass. On a bedrock. On a bed rod.
Big rock.
On Big Ross?
On a big rock.
On a big rock.
You want to do one more?
One more, yeah.
The tree smacked the fish across the rainbow.
The tree smacked a fish across the rainbow.
I'm proud.
I'm so good at this. Alright, now that I am pretty much deaf in both ears, I think we did pretty well. I think that I was the winner. Or do you?
Fine.
I mean, I got a fish jumped over.
How did you get that so fast?
Apparently, I am better at lip reading than I thought I was. I feel like you enunciate more, whereas I just laugh. I just laugh the entire time. Ow now, brown cow. Ow now, brown cow. Unique New York. Unique New York. So that's all I have for this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you really like this video, go ahead and hit the little bell notification right next to the subscribe button. And it will notify you when I do put up a new video. So that's all I have. Go like me on Instagram at EricaTaylor58. And I think that's my Instagram name. Yeah. And that's all I have today. Thanks, Heather, for coming and joining my video.
Thank
and
you.
We'll see you next time. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.